Earlier this year, Searchmetrics published Ranking Factors Rank Correlation. It's a report that tries to analyze what's the relationship between the different ranking factors and a site's ranking. And if you take a look at this report, you'll see here 6 key areas that they looked at. And it's very interesting to note area number 3. Social signals continue to correlate very well with better rankings. And number 5, the number of backlinks remains immensely important. Now, going down into the report, point 3, they're talking about how they're seeing a big relationship between the social signals that content has, or a website has, for its content and its ranking. And what social signals are basically interactions with social networks. So that could be Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Google Plus, tweets and so forth that mention the URL of where the content is. And the more activity there is within social networks related to your content, the better chances you've got of ranking. And this is a greater indication today than it was 10 years ago. This is of vital importance because what this report also shows is a tremendous growth in social activity, and the more that it grows, the more it will influence what Google wants to serve up on the top of its search results. Now, the problem for marketers is where do you begin to try to get that social interaction with people who are looking at your content? And it could be that you start with Facebook or Google Plus and you log in and you start posting to your timeline. So then you log into one account, post to your timeline. But how can you get people to interact with that content? You basically would need to go to another account on another platform like Google Plus and link back to what you've just talked about on Facebook, and maybe you want to do the same on a hosted blogging platform like Blogger or WordPress.com, and you want to tweet about it. Maybe you want to mention it in comments on a YouTube video, or you want to post it on your own blog site, on your own WordPress blogs. Now, all of that takes an incredible amount of time, especially when you consider that we're talking about one piece of content that starts to get these social signals. Well, how much better it would be if there were an automated solution to taking that one piece of content and circulating it, creating a link wheel, if you like, of social signals across different social platforms. Well, I'm very pleased to introduce you to Social Link Signals. Social Link Signals is a software that's been designed from the ground up to take your original post, your original content, or content that you want to talk about in a post to a social platform, and then spread the social message across different platforms. So you can use up to 6 different platforms per post. You can use hashtags in your WordPress and Blogger posts. You can insert hyperlinks and images. Now, the software does more than just post content. Let's set it up. So I'm going to pause this video for a second and set up some posts so you can see what else this software does. Okay, so here I've got the post set up. In the first post, we're going to post to a Blogger account that I've got. It's going to post it with this title, Social Link Signals Launching. Here's the content that I've added. And then what I did, I went to the second tab, selected WordPress, selected an account that I've got with WordPress, and give it a different post title, and I decided to import 3 sentences from that post. Now you see this part here, this is where the software will do breadcrumb links, linking back from this post to this one. And then I set up the post for Facebook, Google Plus and Twitter. So we'll set that to post, and in a couple of seconds we'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so here we are with the results. We've got 5 links back, and we can now create a PDF based on those links and on the keyword here. That's just opened up in the screen, and this is what happens at the end of a project. You can get these links back, The top set of links are just the direct links to the sites where we've posted. The next set are using the hashtag, so that when we submit this document to document sharing sites, these hashtags will get picked up in the search engine results, as will the keyword phrase that we targeted. And you can see these are all linking to our different posts that we made. And that's the beauty of the software. It does a lot of work in a very short space of time that helps to kickstart that social signals, the social signals that your content needs. And the software is available for a very limited period of time. We've heavily discounted the software to make it very attractive, so grab a copy now. The best value is to take the copy that you can share with your virtual assistants. That's the 6 PC license version, and it's in a dime sale, so grab it before the price goes up, or within about 10 days time before it comes off the market.